Welcome to Boomer Mafia. In this short video, I'm going to be doing a review of the installation of this Autoabc wireless Apple CarPlay for my 2014 Toyota Tacoma. In the past, I installed a device similar to this in a different car, and I was pretty pleased with the results. I'm hoping to get the same results. My main objective is very simple. All I want is Apple CarPlay on my factory head unit. That's pretty much all I want. Anything extra that comes with it is going to be welcome, of course, right? All you get in this box is going to be four simple things, right? You're going to get the main head unit with Wi-Fi antenna. You're going to get this cable here, which is the USB for the wired USB connection to your cell phone. And you're also going to get an RCA forward-facing camera with a signal. And I'm going to pre-wire that. I already have the front-facing camera. I'm not going to install it now because it's too cold outside. But this is pretty much the wiring that I'm going to do for that. And then you get the main harness. This plug goes here, and these plugs over here are called T harnesses or T connectors. One goes to the radio, one goes to the factory wiring harness. You only fit one way, so that's going to be pretty quick, right? Just install that, then figure out where to put this unit inside the dash, and you're all good to go. Installation wise, all you need is a panel removing tool to remove the HVAC controls. And then just a 10 or 12 millimeter socket, can't recall which one, to remove 4 bolts, get the factory head unit, do the wiring, and you're good to go. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the installation. Once I get it all running, I'm gonna power it up, and I'm going to describe how good this unit is in this 2014 Toyota Tacoma and whether or not it meets my objective of having Apple wireless CarPlay in my original Toyota Tacoma N-Tune system. Let's go ahead and get started. Well, here we are. The wiring job is complete. Took me about an hour because I was fiddling with the front-facing camera wiring, so it took a little extra effort. Plus, also jamming all the cables behind it took a little extra work. The USB cable, I got it coming out of this center hole right here. And you can see it attached here. I already ordered from Amazon the adapter, the USB-C adapter that goes into this and fits, gives it a factory finished look. So that should be coming in. And also you can see my heated seats. Those are Rostra heated seats, and I got a video for that. Just look at my channel for it. Highly recommended to have heated seats in your Toyota Tacoma. As a matter of fact, that's all I used to keep me warm here and while I was installing unit because it's fairly cold outside. So that worked out pretty good for me. So let's go ahead. Oh yeah, one more thing. Make sure that you pair using Bluetooth, that you pair the car ABC unit with your cell phone. That's what's gonna make all the magic happen. That's really all I did, and you're gonna see how that works when I power this thing up. So let's go ahead and power it up. I'm gonna zoom in a little bit more so you can see it better. There we go. And it goes straight into music play. Well, I guess that's probably the last thing I was looking at. So let's go to the main menu here and go to Google Maps, for example, right? Shows your location, yada yada. Your calendar. There's a calendar. So here's the question that everybody has, right? The question is, well, how is the resolution? The resolution is the same as as the factory head unit. It's not spectacular. It's not great, but it works. That's the important thing, right? Now, my objective was to get Apple CarPlay because I got tired of using my cell phone and fumbling with the cell phone, trying to find directions, etc. So this is going to help me meet that objective. If I wanted a higher resolution quality screen, then I would end up swapping the head unit. But my objective was to keep this unit. You know, it's not a bad looking unit, and one of the reasons I got a 2014 Toyota Tacoma is because I like the looks and I want to keep it somewhat original in the, you know, other than just make some other cosmetic appearance of things in the outside, but keeping the original stereo was an important thing for me. I thought about swapping head units, but when I remember installing one of those units in a different car, different brand, and I really enjoyed it, you know, so I figured, well, why don't we just give this a try? So overall, I would say if you are like me and you want to keep the factory head and have Apple CarPlay, then this definitely seems to work. Now, how long is it going to take for it to fail? That's something else, right? One thing I do is I use the power button here to switch between the radio, the factory stereo and this unit. So you just basically use the power button to navigate in and out of it. So that's pretty convenient, actually. So overall, would I recommend it to a friend? I would say yes, with the caveat of if you just want to have Apple CarPlay and live with the resolution of the factory head unit, then that's fine. I listen to the radio, or I listen to the music, and I also listen to the Odyssey, and I really can't tell much of a difference, right? So I'm quite happy with the performance of the audio too. I'm not an audiophile, so I wouldn't be able to tell, you know, if the sound is great or not. But for me, it works, and you know, and that's really all I wanted. It's something that works and something that handles Apple CarPlay. So that's pretty much it. If I have any issues with this, I will post an update. But if you don't see an update about this, basically means that the unit is working great. So that's pretty much it. So take care, and until the next one.